As indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture, Dogecoin cost will hit $3 by the center of 2024 and afterward $4 by the center of 2025. Dogecoin will ascend to $5 inside the time of 2032 and $7 in 2035. Dogecoin value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $6.60, so the cost expanded by 85% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $31 and the year-to-year change plus 245%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 87%. In 2024, we hope to see $32 per one Dogecoin. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $40. In the final part, the cost would add $02 and close the year at $142, which is plus 153% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months. Sunday, blemish $10.17. Monday, blemish $11.17. Tuesday, blemish $12.17. Wednesday, blemish $13.17. Thursday, blemish $14.17. Friday, blemish $15.17. Saturday, blemish $16.18. Sunday, blemish $17.18. April $15.22. May $15.26. June $15.30. July $15.32. August $15.32. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $142 to $147, which is up 12%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $142, then take off to $146 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $143. That implies plus 159% from today. Dogecoin expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $0.47 to $1.71, which is plus 51%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.47, then, at that point, take off to $1.50 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $49. It is about plus 195% from today. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $8.62, so the cost diminished by 4% from the outset of the year. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $25.85 and the year-to-year change plus 76%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 84%. In 2024, we hope to see $2.25 per one Dogecoin. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $6.97. In the last part, the cost would lose $69 and close the year at $6.28, which is plus 89% to the ongoing cost. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $1.1628 to $1.2473, which is up 52%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $1.1628, then at that point take off to $1.1695 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.1674. That implies plus 94% from today. Dogecoin expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $473 to $419, which is plus 38%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $24.73, then take off to $24.90 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $26.30. It is about plus 205% from today. Satuza 1204. Dogecoin value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $788. So the cost diminished by 12% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.318 and the year-to-year change plus 47%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 67%. In 2024, we hope to see $22 per one Dogecoin. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $411. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.57 and close the year at $354, which is plus 72% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $0.2354 to $0.2055, which is up 52%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $0.2354, then at that point take off to $0.2049 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.2391. That implies plus 77% from today. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $1.55 to $1.1841, which is plus 38%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $0.55, then at that point take off to $0.69 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $0.8285. It is about plus 177% from today. 0115224. Dogecoin value forecast 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $9.07. So the cost diminished by 10% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.1013 and the year-to-year change plus 24%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 38%. In 2024, we hope to see $837 per one Dogecoin. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $0.69. In the last part, the cost would add $andos and close the year at $20.69, which is plus 57% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $0.1269 to $0.11401, which is up 10%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $0.2269, then dip to $1.1081 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.2236. That implies plus 53% from today. Dogecoin expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $0.11401 to $1.1000, which is plus 43%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.2481, then at that point take off to $1.1376 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $1.1453. It is about plus 80% from today. So 1s into 4. Dogecoin value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $8.92. So the cost diminished by 1% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $368 and the year-to-year change plus 52%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 53%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.29 per one Dogecoin. In the primary portion